Thanks for selecting the video. It looks like you're about to install the frame. The steps in your installation instructions for this is steps 1, 2 and 3. What we do first is we stage it, which really means that we lay it out on a flat surface so that we can check that we've got all the parts. Another thing about staging the trampoline is it gives you a good idea of what size it is and you can see where you're going to put it. It's important to follow the printed instructions. Your frame will have different coloured dots depending on which model you have. Round trampolines will have blue dots, and if you have an oval or square trampoline, you will have both blue and green dots. Put the frame together as shown in step 3 in your installation instructions. Once you've put the frame together, you're ready to attach the legs. The first thing to do when you're putting the legs on is you have one person on the inside of the frame and they lift up the frame. The other person's on the outside and they put the centre post into the leg with the coloured dot to the outside, and then they lift that leg up into the leg sockets on the frame. To ensure that the legs are facing the right way, you'll want to check that the coloured stickers are to the outside in each case. So when you've put the leg on, you need to put in the bolts. You put them in and tighten them by hand, and then you'll need the Allen key for one side and the wrench for the other side. Use the tools provided. You don't need to apply a lot of force. Don't use any power tools. You don't need to over tighten the bolts. If your model is an oval model, it's one that's got straight sections along the sides. It's got different legs that go on the ends. So you need to distinguish between them. And the way you do that is you just look at the colour stickers on there, follow the stickers, and they'll show you what you have to do. When you're putting the legs on, there's a preferred order that you should put them on, and step 3 in your instructions will tell you which order that is. Now that the frame's together, it's time to move on to the next step.